All right, how's it going? I'm going to back up demo this hackathon project. So, creating neuralese with context-free grammars and GPT-5. So, the idea here is, well, the concept of neuralese is that maybe eventually agents will speak in their own highly optimized language that humans can't understand. And it's kind of a sci-fi idea, but kind of a real area of research. And then I combine that with a new part of the GPT-5 API, which allows you to constrain the output to a context-free grammar, which is basically an instruction set for any type of language, like whether it's a programming language or a real language. So the goal is to see if we can optimize a CFG that a multi-agent system like learns over time, and maybe that will trend towards neuralese. And the TLDR is that it kind of works. And so I can show you basically what I did. So here's the main loop that I ran. Oops. Main loop that I ran last night. And this loop is essentially a guessing game. It takes a while to run, but it's essentially a guessing game starting at a base grammar between two agents. And the more successful the agents are at guessing, the better it works, and the shorter the messages get over time. And so I ran this with a bunch of rounds in a big batch size last night. And so I already have a good final CFG that's optimized. I can show you. This is one of the steps that are running, also takes a little while. So probably won't actually do that. Here I have like a guessing game that shows you what the final neuralese looks like. So here, the speaker message is basically, so one of these options is the correct answer, and then the speaker is speaking in their own language with this. And then right now we're role playing as the second agent that should be able to guess what it is. So I don't know, maybe you think you know the answer, but I'll just put in three. And okay, that was wrong. But the agent in that time got it right. So the agent could understand this and map it to one of these options. But obviously, this doesn't make any sense. And same for this one. Like, let's put in zero. Like, I have no clue. Okay, that was also wrong. But again, the agent guessed it correctly. Okay, cool. So that's what it looks like to learn neuralese from CFGs. Um, this is like a mini guessing game, but the reason it's actually interesting is because this is the same type of mini game that like other papers have used, because they basically prove that you can do this. You can generalize it to making like a real grammar for a real language. If you just had a bigger experiment that had more parameter, like just basically like had more room to learn.